Hi guys! Welcome to my live. Ayan. So, kamusta? Kamusta po kayong lahat? Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat, mga kaibigan. So, ayan. Gusto ko lang mag-relax, guys. Ayan. Kamusta kayong lahat? Ang aking hair, okay naman siya. Healthy. So, ayan. Magandang gabi! Ayan, it's me again, your host, Michelle Japina. Kamusta kayong lahat? Ayan, kamusta ka mo? Ayan, mega love shoutout. Anyari, bakit parang zoom na zoom ang aking camera? Ayan, magandang gabi. How are you guys? Good evening. Ayan. Hope you are fine. Ayan, para sa inyong lahat. So, I want you to request your favorite old song, guys. And I want to sing old song, not, hindi yung mga ano ngayon hindi yung mga bago, guys, kasi hindi ko yun kabisado, hindi ko yun alam. Mas, more on old song ako, guys, yung mga, kasi mas nagagandahan ako sa mga song noon. Ayan, magandang gabi sa aking MJ family. Ayan. Sa ating lahat ng team Kapobre, mega love shoutout. Ayan. Mainit pa, guys. Mainit pa. So, kanta tayo, guys, ha? Kanta tayo. So, yan, mag-request lang kayo dyan, guys. Comment your request. Hello, like this. Karaoke. Karaoke song. Maybe this time it will be long. 求人の数が多いだろ。言ってないです。求人の数が多いリクナビネクスト。僕は取っ手の取れるティファール。料理は任せて。カチッ。重くてもグラツ。Dali lang, guys. Connect muna natin sa ano tawag dun? Bluetooth. Oh. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Tulog yan, tulog. Ayan, bago ang lahat, thank you so much nga po pala sa aking mga marathoners sa YouTube. At dito sa Facebook, sa mga nagpa-follow, sa mga nagla-like at nag-share ang aking mga video, nagko-comment. Ayan, thank you so much, guys, para sa inyo to. Ayan pa. Nag-i-echo, no? Nag-i-echo talaga, guys. Ayan, Ma'am Elizabeth Rosa, mega love shoutout. Ma'am Emmy Rose Bautista. At sa lahat po dito. Ayan. Kakanta po ako ng Maybe This Time. Bakit ganon? So old friends meet again. Bakit parang crazy? Bakit ganon? Bakit ganon? Wait lang, guys, sa Bluetooth mode. Why?
Bluetooth mode.
Hello, like this. Hello, like this. Bakit ganon? Teka lang, guys, ha. Forward. We feel So, ayan, kanta na lang po tayo ng I Love You.
I must be crazy now. Maybe I drink too much, but when I think of you, I long to feel your touch, to whisper in your ears words that are all this time, words only you would hear if only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you. You would make my move and you look in my eyes. 'Cause but now I know that you feel the way that I do. And I whisper this word as you lay by my side. I love you. Please say you love me too. These few words, they could change a life forever. And I promise that you will always be together till the end time. Today I finally found like hurts deep inside. It's a walk right to your door, but my body can't move when I finally get to it. Just like 1,000 times before. Then without a word, I handed me this letter. Really, I hope this find a way to your heart. It said, I love you. Please say you love me too. These 3 words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise that you will always be together till the end time. Well, maybe I need a little love. Maybe I need a little care. Maybe you need somebody just to hold you. If you do, just reach out and I'll be there.
Mega love shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Ayan pa.
Me too. These 3 words, they could change our lives forever.
Sorry guys, wala akong boses.
And I promise that you will always be together. Oh, I love you. Please say you love me too. Please say you love me too.
Okay, let's sing. This girl has turned into a woman.
この小さな一粒に
Ayan, may collab shoutout po sa inyong lahat. Ayan, guys. Ayan, please request old song only, ha? Excuse me. Ayan, mag-request kayo yung old song lang, guys, ha? Para feel na feel ko. Pang old song lang tayo, eh. So, ayan. This girl has turned into a woman. Sino may gusto nito, guys?
Wake up, tomorrow's over. So bed is open, one worry lay. I dreamed of all my truth. Oh, how I said to you all the things my heart wants to say. Last night, you heard me crying, 'cause I have never loved a man before. And I guess the tears were falling, 'cause a little girl was lost. But now, love, I'm not crying anymore. This girl has turned into a woman, and I dream of this moment of my life. This girl has turned into a woman, and I thank you for your tenderness last night.
Ayan, para sa inyo po.
I've never seen a man lying on my pillow, and I've never seen your body without clothes. I can't believe these feelings I discovered, though I'm sure it's just what every lovers know. Now I'm offering to you, I make you promise, and if love's come tomorrow, don't pretend. But now I'm in love, and that's all I'm thinking of. And I hope this feeling never, never ends. This girl has turned into a woman, and I dream of this moment of my life. This girl has turned into a woman, and I thank you for your tenderness last night. And I want to love you once again tonight.
Ayan, Ma'am Terry, Kuya Peter, Kuya James, Nanay Rosie, at sa inyo pong lahat. Ayan. Ayan, time torn between two lovers.
マシュマロ肌心地締め付けすぎず優しくフィット気持ちいいねマシュマロ肌心地です
Ses Calabinting, shoutout po. Ayan, all song para sa inyo, guys.
There were times when a woman has to say it was on her mind, even though she knows how much it's gonna hurt. Before I say another word, let me tell you I love you. Let me hold you close and say these words as gently as I can.
That doesn't mean
I love you less, and you know he can possess me, and he know he never will. You're just an empty space inside of me that only he can feel. So between two lovers, feeling like a fool, loving both of you is breaking all the rules. So between two lovers, feeling like a fool, loving you both is breaking all the rules. You mustn't think you found me just because there's someone else. You were the first real love I ever had, and all the things I ever said, I swear is torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool, loving both of you is breaking all the rules. Torn between two
ano ba?
it's breaking all the rules. Shout out guys.
Ano ka? Ay, nako, ano bang klaseng kanta to?
I'm asking you to stay. Oh my gosh. Torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool, loving both of you is breaking all the rules. Torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool, loving you both is breaking all the rules. Torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool. Oh my gosh. Loving both of you. Ah, nilagay nyo ah. Ayan.
Ano ba?
Loving you both is breaking all the rules. Ay, yeah. Yun yun.
Yan, tahimik lang kayo dyan guys ha. Kinig-kinig lang kayo. Ano lang.
Ayan, para sa inyo to guys.
Eyes on you.
With my love.
Ano ba ito mga request nyo guys?
Wasn't here with me tonight.
Hi sis!
I will live with you for just a little while.
Oh, wait lang.
But I love you.
Teka lang guys, may sumasabit. Ulitin natin. Bato, kaloka. Kalorke! Ayan. Ate Angie, shout out! Ayan si shout out. Ayan, Mama Jacqueline. Shout out agad yan, Sally! Ayan, saan lang kayo tumingin na? Bato?
If my love wasn't here with me tonight, I would live with you for just a little while. But I love you the same way as I love you now, and I'm sorry I can't be with you tonight. Do I want to hold you in my arms tonight? I will take the chance, 'cause it won't be right. Maybe when we meet again some other time, 'cause tonight I only share my love with you. So please understand my situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you. Di ba kinapil niyo? If I could be in two places at the same time, believe me, I will share my love with you.
Okay ba, guys? Mukhang masyadong yung pinipil tong kantang to, ah. Ano yan? Naha-high blood kayo? Ay, nalaglag.
So please understand my situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you.
Ayan, may sabit.
If I could be in two places at the same time, believe me, I will share my love with you.
Hello, Nanay Benita.
Believe me, I will share my love with you.
Hey, yo.
Believe me, I will share Huwag kang maniwala, inuuto ka lang niya.
Ito pa. Kala nyo non-stop to non-stop. Kilig na kilig kayo dyan, ha? Yung mga ngiti nyo hanggang tenga. Kilig yarn. In love yarn. Kilig to the bones. Eto pa. Ay, kakalor ka kayo. Yan.
Kung tayo matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan man ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya.
Wait lang, guys.
Ay, totoong Kuya Bal ba yan? Mega love shoutout po Kuya Bal. Fake man yan or real? Mega love shoutout po sa ating Kuya Bal. Palakpakan niya. Ayan. Magandang gabi po. Ayan. So, ayan. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko, ayan. Mamahalin niyo pa rin pa si Latina. Kung tayo matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan man ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y akal at yakapin. Hanggang pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako ba kaya'y ibigin mo? Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap na nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Ayan po, ikaw po talaga yan, Kuya Bal. May dalang shoutout sa'yo. Mega lang shoutout po, Kuya. Ayan, may chat. Ayan, tingnan ko po mamaya, I will check it. Pwede ngayon naman, sige. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo na ang buhok mo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Yan! Ito pa! Wala naman pong chat dito. Ayan. Inugutan niyo ang mga pig, ha? Yung mga pig-pig dyan. Wala naman po dito chat. Ikaw lang ang mamahalin. Okay, Ate Yan Sally. Ayan. After this song, ha? After this song. Pagdating na ayan, para sa inyo guys. Ayan. Dahil tamad kayo mag-heart-heart, ayan, ako na lang magpapalipad ng heart. Ayan, oh, ayun, ayaw na tuloy lumabas. Mga kilig na kilig naman kayo dyan, no? Kala nyo, ah. Kilig kayo to the max. Yung monitor ko nandito sa baba, tapos nandito naman yung aking screen, no? Yeah. One, two, birds. Parang hindi ito tono ko. Wait lang guys. Close to you. You and me. Dan, dan, dan. La, 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 la. La, la, la. Ayan, close to you. Close na ba tayo? Pag ito hindi pa talaga, ha? Nangangamit yung pa ako. Ate Rosalie Bayuon! Love you. Aida Candelaria, love you. Try mo ako i-chat ngayon kasi daw nagsisend. Okay po, sige po. Pero bakit po? Sige po, i-check ko po mamaya, kuya. Sige po, salamat po. Mamaya po, check ko, ha? Ay, ba't napunta dito? Sige po, I will check it later. Naka-block po kasi ako eh. Baka nabinlock niyo po kasi ako eh. Lagi na lang po ako nabablock. Di ba pwedeng white na lang? Ayun.
Covers TH.
Ayan, para sa inyo guys, close to you. Close na ba tayo? Close tayo lahat. Ayun, yung tamang totoo. Para sa inyo guys. One, two, birds, suddenly I feel every time you are near. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born, the angel got together and decided to create dreams come true. So they sprinkled wonders in your heart, of golden star in your eyes of blue. That is why all the girls inside follow you all around. Just like me, they long to be close to you. We should go, Ate Aida.
Sige po.
On the day that you were born, the angel got together and decided to create dreams come true. So they sprinkle no wonders in your heart, or coolness silent in your eyes of blue. That is why all the girls in town follow you all around. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Just like me, they long to be close to you. Close to you. Close to you. Close to Close to you.
Ayan, what is the next song, guys? Aha, aha, I like it! Huwag kayong maingay dyan. Manood lang kayo dyan, ha? Aha. Oy.
求人の数が多いだと。
言ってないです。
求人の数が
Asan na ba yung request nyo dito? May request kayo eh. Can be with you tonight, hindi yan.
追加話はない。
Forever.
ヘッドがついて
Ano pa? Ikaw lang ang mamahalin? Talaga? Pangako na naman yan, ha?
時思考を落とす。クリニカ極薄ヘッド。
Ikaw lang ang mamahalin. Ikaw lang ang mamahalin. Ano yung favorite nyo? Request nyo na dyan. Alam ko namang kinikilig kayo dyan. Di ba kumanta nun? Katrina Verde o Green? Ha? Katrina Verde o Green? Paktay tayo dyan. Yan ba yun? Ito ba yan? Ito ba yan? mabagal.
Saan ka? Kailan ka muling makakita? Kulang sa ating itong sandali. Alam ko ikaw lang ang mamahalin. Di ba yun? Ito pala yun, habang ako'y nabubuhay. O, ayan. Kuya Roberto de los Reyes. Shout out.
Global Karaoke TV.
Lagot kayo.
Laging nalang sa isip mga sandali, tanggapin mo ang pag-ibig ko para sa'yo. Walang hangganan ang saya, mga tayo lang dalawa kailanman. Ang pag-ibig mo sa akin ang nagbibigay saya sa buhay ko. Ikaw lang ang mamahalin, ikaw lang ang nasa puso ko, ikaw lang ang ibigin ko. Habang ako'y nabubuhay, di ko kayang mawalay ka, di ko kayang mabuhay.
Nangangatilala muna ako, guys.
Nabubuhay, lagi na lang nakikita, maging sa mga panaginip, mga ngiti mong kay
haba lang guys. Nangangatilalamunan ko. Ito. Send nyo nga sa akin yung kanta ko ng Bicol. At ako yung mga kanta ng Bicolano din eh. Yan. Okay lang yan, nanay. Ay, pakasend naman po sa akin yung lyrics nito. Dali. Ken. Send nyo sa akin lyrics nito. Pasend po ng lyrics. Nako, patay tayo dyan natin. One moment in time. Teka muna, hintayin nyo muna itong ano ko, yung Bicol version ko ng yung Bicol version ko ng pasend nga po. Pasend nga po. Bicol version. Dali lang po Hingin ko lang sa aking mga composer. Ayan. Yung ATM ko at card identity. Yung ATM ko at card identity. Nangyari, Nay. Ano yun? Madami ako nasikaso. Oh! Talaga? Ganon. Nadukutan ka, Nay? Madaming nadukot. Anong nakuha sa iyo, sis? Dahil nadukutan ako. Ay, wawa naman yung nanay Emma ko, ay. Di yun nakakatuwa, siya. Anong oras ba, guys? Ito, last song na to, guys, last song. Wawa naman ng nanay Emma ko, ay. Umuwi nga ako, gabi walang mandurukot. Nakuha mo na yung ano mo na? Nakuha mo na yung nadukot sa'yo? Nabalik na? Mga sumpa at pangako. Dali nga guys. Dali lang po Di pala ito nare-rewind. Hanggat naka-live ka. Wawa man yan ay. Wawa man ang aking nanay Emma. Sige lang, Nay. Sige. I call you later. Pati, oy, wawa naman. O siya? Sige nga po, guys. Next time na lang tayo kumanta, ha? Sige, tama na muna to at mag-12 na rin pala dito. Thank you so much, guys, sa pakikasama nyo. I love you all. Mwah! Love you. Love you, guys. Ayan. So, thank you, guys, ha? At, yun. Thank you so much sa pakikasama nyo, no? Love you and see you, guys, next time. Thank you. Ayan, pakashare nyo na lang ang ating live. Bye-bye.